Hello, boys and girls. We are learning about space. Now, yesterday we talked in our Zoom about our 8 planets. Remember, we said 4 are gas planets, 4 are rocky planets. Let's see if we can sing our song together to help us remember. I put our planets on little sticks to help us. Ready? Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Now let's see if we can sing it fast. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune are 8 planets. They all orbit around the great big star that we know as the sun. Today's story is called The Sun, our nearest star. As we're reading today, you may see some of the tricky words we know. So be watching, friends, for the word of, the, help me read it from home, you, a question word, when, is, and see. Let's see, Flash, if we can learn some things about the sun. It's our nearest star. I don't think Flash knew that. Did you, Flash? At night, you can see a lot of stars because the sky is dark. When the sky is bright, you can also see a star. It is the sun. The sun is our daytime star. It is also the star closest to us. You can see the sun starting to rise. The sun is very big. It is much bigger than the earth. The sun is almost 1,000,000 miles across. If Earth was the size of a pea, you see this lady holding it, the sun would be the size of this beach ball. That's interesting to see the difference in size between our planet and the sun. The sun is very far away from us. It is much farther than the moon. A spaceship takes 3 days to reach the moon. It would take more than 3 years to reach the sun. I like this diagram, boys and girls. Here's our Earth. See the white dots? That's how long it would take us to get to the moon. But get in your rocket ship and look, follow the white dotted line. Look how far and how long it would take to get to the sun. And you remember the sun is our nearest star. It takes 8 minutes for light to travel from our daytime star to the Earth. It takes 4 years for light from the nearest nighttime star to reach us. Most of the stars are much further away than that. Look at our tiny Earth. Here's how long it takes for light to reach us from the sun, but if you look how far away from the other stars, it would take light to reach us. That's really interesting to think about. Stars are made of hot gases. The sun and other stars, on them, in them, there is iron, gold, copper, and tin. They are not solid as they are on Earth. All of them are gases because they are so hot. The temperature on the surface of the sun is more than 10,000 degrees Fahrenheit. The temperature in a very hot oven is only 500 degrees. So imagine how much hotter the sun would be. The sun is so hot that a spaceship could not get close to it. If it ever did, the spaceship would change to gases. Without the sun, Earth would be cold and dark. No plants would grow, no animals, no bugs, birds, or flowers. Nothing could live here. The sun keeps us alive. It makes corn grow and apples, wheat, and bananas. Animals eat the plants. We eat the plants and animals. They give us energy. So the energy in our food actually comes from the sun. It is solar energy. Look at the dinosaurs. Millions of years ago, Earth was covered with swamps and jungles. As plants and animals grew, they stored solar energy. When they died, they slowly changed to coal and oil. So ancient energy is stored in coal and oil. Today we use the stored up solar energy in coal and oil and gasoline, which is made from oil, to fuel our cars and trucks, airplanes and rockets. That's interesting to think about. For millions of years, the sun has warmed our planet. It still does. It will keep shining bright and warm for many millions of years to come. The sun, our nearest star. Let's see if we can remember some facts from the story today about the sun. We learned the sun is very hot, so hot it would burn up anything that got close. It gives off light. It is a star, so it's different than the planet Earth. It's made of gases, it's a star. All facts about the sun. Boys and girls, I hope you enjoyed reading about our closest star, and I'll see you next time.